I'm Sophie.
And I'm Leah.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast. To start things off, we have the joke of the week.
Why don't programs like nature?
Why?
Too many bugs.
Haha, so funny.
Now it's time for the character of the week. Drum roll, please.
Enough from Incredibles.
Let's move on now.
Okay.
Today, there will be an assembly to recognize the spring sports athletes during fourth period today. The band will also be performing next Monday. Softball and baseball will have a game at home versus St. Ian.
Next week, there will also be a guest speaker coming to our school on May 12th.
May 13th, the band will be going to the elementary school.
Okay. Now it's time for Pet Corner. This is Mrs. Spock's adorable cat, Tinkerbell, or Tink for short. She is 15 years old and she loves to sit in front of the fire. It's her favorite TV show. Tink loves to snuggle on the laps of her family. In fact, she barely gives her family time to get situated in their recliners before she's up in their laps. She's unique in that she only likes to eat half of her food pieces. She lives a posh life as she has a heated hut to sleep in. Wow.
In Mr. Salzman's video creation class, students recreated a scene from a famous movie. In this clip, Jonathan Dome, Connor Escobar, Abby Clark, Des Little, Gracelyn Walker, and Jace Johnson recreated a scene from the movie Sandlot.
Hey guys, sorry I'm late. My mom made me put on my jacket and then she made me do the dishes.
Oh, your mom made you do the dishes? You want a s'more?
S'more what?
No, you want a s'more?
I haven't had anything yet, so how can I have some more or nothing?
You're killing me, Smalls. Okay, this is s'more stuff, okay? Pay attention. Take the graham, put the chocolate on the graham, roast the mallow. When the mallow's flaming, put the and then put it on the chocolate. Scuff it. Awesome.
Brown, not black.
Put the mallow on the chocolate. It's not staying up.
Failure.
Dang, that was really good.
Okay. SBAC and math testing continues next week during first and second periods. Do your best. Oh my gosh. Okay, 3. SBAC and MAP testing continues next week during first and second periods. Do your best. These are our final standardized tests of the school year. As a bonus, you will be rewarded for meeting the expectations.
There's a school board meeting on Monday. Shout out to our school board members. We appreciate your positive feedback and support throughout the school year.
Mr. Salzman will be taking the 7th grade to an art
museum
on Tuesday, June 2nd. On June 2nd. Be sure to turn in your money and your permission slips to Mr. Salzman as soon as possible.
Here's an update on the eagles nesting in Big Bear Valley. Jackie and Shadow, 2 eaglets, are getting bigger as you can see in the photo. Plus, they are now named Luna and Sandy. This is mine and Sophie's last week before the CMS broadcast.
Aw, I'm so sad.
That's all for the
CMS
CMS broadcast.
Bye.